Hello and welcome back to another episode of Drawing for Kids. Thank you to everybody who commented on the previous video of any suggestions of animals that they would like me to draw. There has been a very special request which is going to be the basis of today's video. So what we're going to learn to draw today is a cute little lion. So the same as the last video, all we're going to need is a pencil and a piece of paper. And then afterwards, if you do want to colour in, you'll have a chance to do so. So, let's learn how to draw the cute little lion. Started. The first part that we're going to focus on is the lion's head. So for this, we're going to draw a small little arc at the top of the page, like so. From here, we're then going to draw the lion's ears. So we're going to start where the point finished, come up, round, down, and back in slightly. And then the same again on the other side. So using our marker, we can make a point where we can then use that to connect where his ear is going to go. Lovely. We now need to continue with the rest of the lion's face. So we're going to use the point at the bottom of the ear to then come down, slightly out, round, across, down, around and across, and then connect those 2 points together like so. We can finish off the ears using the shape of the lion's face. We can continue around and then using the shape of the inside of the ear to draw the lion's ears. Perfect, like so. We now need to give the lion a little bit of character. So for this, we're going to be drawing his eyes. So using again the ears as a starting point, work just below and try and draw the best that you can a nice circle, and then the same again on the other side, like so. Make that a bit more rounded. There we go. To give the lion's eyes a little bit of character, you can draw a little arc at the bottom and then give him some eyelashes. Perfect. To add a little bit more character, you can then draw 2 circles inside his eyes, which are going to remain white if you do decide to colour. Give him some little eyebrows to make him even cuter. And now we can focus on the lion's nose. For this, where the eyes finish at the bottom, you're going to draw an oval shape. And then give him a nice little smile. Perfect. You need to draw the lion's whiskers, as we know that that is a key feature. And that's his face pretty much done. We now need to focus on the lion's mane, which is going to be around the outside of his head. For this, using the middle of his face, you can start just a little bit above where you're going to arc up, come back round, and then join and connect with his ears. Do the same on the other side, like so. And then you're just going to continue using the shape of the lion's face to draw a squiggly line round until you get to the bottom where it's going to end with a little point in the middle of his face. Same again on the other side, coming round until you reach the middle of his face. Make his whiskers, slightly longer. There we go. Now we can focus on the lion's body. So again, using the eyes as a starting point, work your way down, and then you're going to just draw a little arc going out, and then the same again on the other side, roughly so that they're in line. We're now going to do the inside of the lion's legs. So starting slightly inside, you can draw a little line, and then again the same on the other side, and then arc slightly round and down, arc slightly round and down. Nice. Lions have big paws, so we need to draw an oval shape, but where it comes up outside of the lion's legs, and then do the same on the other side. And around. Perfect. Lions have little claws, so for this we can draw 2 lines in opposite directions and then connect the lion's feet together, as that will be the bottom of his body. The lion is sitting in some long grass, so now we can draw his back legs. So using this point here as a marker, you can then draw an arc up, back round, and then connect at the bottom of his feet, and then from here draw his back feet with his nail, and then again the same on the other side, coming up, round and down, and then his little feet, or paw I should say, can go there with his nail. Perfect. The last thing that we need to do is the lion's tail. So using the part of his leg and his paw, we're going to draw a line coming up and slight flick at the end, and then another one exactly the same, but it's going to gradually get thinner and thinner and thinner until it connects. And then for his tail, I'm going to draw like a little brush, like so. And then we can add a few little lines for the lion's fur. So like I said earlier, the lion is actually sitting in some grass. So what we can now do is add a little bit of detail for the lion to be sitting in some grass. Add some dandelions. And then this, when you want to, if you want to colour, you can add all this in green. So then we can do the same on the other side. And then again, some little dandelions. Perfect. And there you have it. You have your very own cute little lion. Thank you to all of you who are following along. I'm sure that all your drawings have turned out absolutely amazing, so well done for that. As always, in the comment section below, make sure that you put any suggestions of any animals that you would like me to draw in the next episode. If you haven't already done so, then please make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Make sure that you do tune in next week to see which animal that I've decided to draw. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. See you later.